Hello, I'm Vivek on behalf of ACIK. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage your orders, starting with our orders search and order info page. But before I go there, we suggest that you could have a look at the order primer video we have about managing orders and learning various aspects of how orders work on Omnibus. I have logged into my admin panel and I'll go under orders and fulfillment and I'll go to orders. Now this is the orders search page. This is the place where you would be mostly operating for managing your orders and searching for various orders your customers would have placed. Now if you look at the top right here in the notification bell icon, if you hover over it, you'll see notifications also pop up in case a customer places an order also. So you can see you have a new order and it gives the order number also. Now if you click on in any one of these, you will be redirected to the order info page, which I will show you in a minute. But this is the order search page we have. Now as you can see, it says you can search by order number, you can search by customer email address, phone number, or the company name of B2B order. So you can search by those parameters in the search bar here at the top. And at the bottom what you're seeing is from to. These are the two date entries you can do filter out your orders from particular date range. You can click on this calendar button to select a date if you are not okay with the ones that are already there, and change the range here. Well, anyway, this is about the date range filter. The third we have here is a store drop down. If you click on it, it will show you the stores you have. The first one is empty to include all the stores you might have, but as of now I have a web store, so I'll select that. And you can filter based on the status also. So the status of order, if I click on it, you can see I have various statuses that are possible. And if you were looking for a particular order with a status, you can select one here. And as usual, you can select the blank entry at the top if you want all the statuses to be considered for the search. The last is transaction type. The transaction type denotes what type of transaction it was. So it can be B2C, B2B, or include all transaction types that occurred. And you will have these tags at the bottom. You can see these are also filters. So if you are looking for only packed orders, you can click on that, and as you can see, it has applied the filter where only packed orders are showing. So it is similar to the status filter. You can clear this filter from here itself. So you can click on this clear filter and it will again show all the orders. So let's use our search bar at the top. So what you can do is you can either search by an order ID. So if I paste that order ID here and press enter, you can see I get that order ID. And I can search by a customer email address. So if I know an email address that I'm looking for the customer, I can type that email address and press enter, and you can see all the orders placed by this email address of the customer will show up. And for the last one, we have phone number. So if you know the phone number of the user, you can search by their phone number also. And similarly, if you know the company name of the B2B order, you can search by that company name also. And if you hover over a particular order search row here, so for example, if I hover over the second one, you can see it shows various details. First one is what type of transaction it was. So it was business to customer, B2C. Its order ID. The third one is the status of the order, and the total amount of the order, and this is pay mode. So what is the payment method that the customer chose to pay for this? So if I hover over this, you can see it shows cash on delivery. If I hover over this, you can see credit card. Similarly, order date, the store it was placed from, so it's the name of my web store, and the last is the customer name. If I click on more by this customer, it automatically will apply a filter where you will see all the orders by this particular customer. It is similar to the email search that we do at the top here. So that was a small overview of how order search page works. Now let's say that you have imported your old orders. Let's say you had an old store and you're onboarding to Omnibus. You would have some orders that you would like to import also to our platform. So you will use this search old order. If you click on that, you can search by an old order ID. But I don't have any imported order IDs. So these are the orders that were placed on my current Omnibus platform, not my older store platform that I was using. So I don't have an old order, but if you did, you would use an old order ID to search that order by. Anyway, you can click on close this search and go to the normal order search page. So now if you click on any of these order IDs that are being highlighted, you will be taken to the order info page. So let's see, this is a B2C order and it is a cash on delivery order and it's in pending confirmation. So I would like to confirm it. So I'll click on this order ID. Once I do so, you can see I'm taken to an order info page. It displays various information related to your order. As you can see, the order ID, the name of the customer. If you click on it, it will take you to the customer info page. You can learn about the customer, the status the order is in, so it's currently in pending confirmation status, and the total amount value of this order. And at the bottom you can see just below that we have extra details like email, the order placed time, the payment method that was used, and the transaction type. Just below that you can see it shows the order details. So each detail item it will show in the order. So you can see I have one product here. If I click on this chevron, it will show me the quantity breakup. So as of now there is only 2 original quantity and I have not confirmed packed, unpacked, shipped, delivered or cancelled any. And you can see the detail of this product, that the name, the size, the product code, the quantity, sell price and the final sell price. Final sell price is the sell price multiplied by the quantity. So it will give you the total amount. And you can click on the product image to enlarge it, to see it in a more clear way. You click again on the image to bring it back to the original smaller size. Beneath we can see 2 sections, the billing address and the shipping address. You can edit the address here of both shipping or billing, and you can print the order also. This is not the shipping label. You can print the shipping label from a shipping info page, which we will discuss in the video about shipping and packing. And after that we have miscellaneous data about the order. You can see there was no coupon code applied, it was not a premium shipping, no gift wrap, and the store it was ordered from, and the various charges that were applied. You can see the product was there, fixed type charge, no discount, and 1200 rupees. And there was shipping charge applied of fixed amount which was of 10 rupees. So that's why the final amount is 1210 rather than just 1200. And you can see a small timeline of when the order was placed, when you would confirm it, pack, ship and deliver it, or in case cancel it. It will show you a small timeline of the dates and the statuses. As you can see, only placed is highlighted, so the order has only been placed, it has not been confirmed or any of these statuses further ahead. So this was a small overview of our order info page. Now if you see, there is an actions drop down here. If I hover over it, you can see I have various options here. Now the ones towards the top are the ones that you would be more interested in, but if you would like to, you can print the shipping label from here. You can see it is printing a small shipping label here with various details, and you can print the bill. You can see it prints a small sales invoice here. You can print the pick list. So this is a small list that you would maybe print and take to your warehouse and use it as a pick list, that you would see that okay, this was the product that are needed, the product code, the SKU code, product name, the particular SKU, the variant of the SKU, the quantity and the unit price. If there were more products, it will have a table of the products listed here. You can email the bill, or you can see the quantity breakup, as you would see using this chevron also. And you can go to interactions here and add certain interactions. So let's say that you called the customer to make sure that this order is legitimate or not. So they called the customer but they didn't pick up. So you may add a interaction here so others can also see it, and a note for yourself also. You can use various text editing tools also here, but regardless, I'll go ahead and just add the interaction. So as you can see, it has added it, and it says who created it and when it was created. And if you see now, how would you know if an interaction is there? You can see it talks about it here. It says that this order has one interaction. Now if you click on this one interaction, it will take you this interaction page, and you can see the interactions that are added. So this was interactions, and you have the option to cancel order and confirm the order, or converting it to prepaid. Now this order is a cash on delivery order and it's in pending confirmation. So after you make sure this order is legitimate, you would go ahead and confirm the order. When you do so, it asks you if can confirm the order or not. I'll go ahead and click yeah, I want to confirm it. So as soon as I confirm the order, what would have happened is that the inventory would have gotten reduced for this by the quantity 2. So let's say if I had 100 of these SKU in my warehouse, then Omnibus also would have the amount 100, as you would have entered the details for this particular inventory, and it will decrease it by 2 now after coming to confirmed status. So now the warehouse quantity would have been 98. So as soon as I confirmed it, you can see the timeline also shows that I had confirmed the order now. So that was how you confirm the order for a cash on delivery order. Now we'll have a look at how does prepaid order work. So let's go to the order search page again. You can see the first order item I have here is in pending payment status. So that means the customer has not completed the payment. So let's take the customer's perspective now and have a look how the experience would be for them. So as you can see, for this particular customer, the order is in pending payment status. You can go ahead to my orders page here, click on it. You can see there is a pending payment order here, and when you click on it, it will show you an option to complete the payment or cancel the order. If you click on complete payment as a customer, it will take you to the payment gateway and the customer has to complete the payment. So I'll click on complete payment. Now you can see I have paid for this order. It will redirect me to the payment complete page after I have completed the payment. As you can see, the customer can also see that it is straight away to the confirmed status. Now let's go to the admin panel as our seller and have a look at it. So as soon as I come here, I don't see the change, so I'll search for it once more. And you can see as soon as I searched again, as the order would have been updated, the credit card order I had is now in confirmed status. So if I go to this order info, you can see it is in confirmed status and the payment method was credit card. So this was a small overview of order search page, order info page, and how does the order get to the confirmed status. Thank you.